Hello everyone. So today I am looking at this question on the community from Mandeep, and Mandeep is asking allowing member of public to vote on issues. Now this is a requirement where you may want to give permission to a specific let us say issue to vote to maybe a group of users or maybe a role of users. So basically the idea here is to uh, give permission to specific set of users. Now in Jira, of course, we do have permission schemes, which is of course wonderful, but there is no such permission where you can tell Jira that for this particular project, I want only users who are part of, let us say, developer group or whatever group or they can only vote. And this is of course one feature request on Atlassian's own Jira instance. I highly recommend you guys to come and first make sure that you have an account on jira.atlassian.com. And if you look at this particular issue, where when there is a similar request for Jira Cloud as well, that voting and watching permissions, so people can always vote for a specific requirement, and based on the number of votes, based on how many people are asking for this particular thing to be implemented, Atlassian will either do it or either maybe plan to do it in future. For example, in this particular issue, there is an update from Atlassian, a very old update that this is something that we hope to do in future. So this was of course 5 years ago, but you never really know. Maybe Atlassian will do it in the next version of Jira on server, and also maybe on cloud they will probably do it without you even noticing it. So there is a similar requirement on cloud as well. So do go and vote for it, vote for this feature. However, if you want, just talking about, because we are talking about voting, and especially if you're new to Jira administration, you can actually turn off this feature globally. So this is something that you can do. If you go to the general configuration and if you search for something like vote and watch, there is an option, a global option, that you can either turn on or turn off. That is it. That is all you can do. But nothing much apart from this, which is of course, I think, in my opinion, I think this can be a useful feature. I've already added a comment, by the way, on the issue or suggestion like this one. I also would like to vote for this. It can be useful to restrict voting to a specific role or group, basically having permissions. And I guess I'll probably do it for the cloud version as well, because I can definitely see usage of this, so I'll also vote for it. So I just did the voting, and I thought I'll probably share this with all of you, that in case you want to do something like this, or in case you have a suggestion for Atlassian, you can always either raise a ticket or suggestion or feature request or whatever type of ticket that you think is relevant on jira.atlassian.com. But if you find something existing, then do vote for it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video useful and you also learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.